Hey foodies, hope you all are having a blessed day. Today in the kitchen I'll be sharing a recipe for coconut curried fish and coconut curried shrimp made with the same exact recipe. Let's get into it. So we're going to start by seasoning our shrimp. It's already been washed. All of the ingredients will be listed in the description. You want to marinate that and then we'll go ahead and start preparing the curry. So here I'm preparing a curry paste. And you want to add that to your skillet with oil and stir until it is nice and fragrant. You want to cook this for a good 3 to 4 minutes. Like I said, all of the ingredients I'm using will be listed in the description. Once 3 to 4 minutes is up, you want to follow up with your coconut milk. Give that a stir and allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to season to your own liking. Taste and adjust the seasoning as you see fit. Then we will follow up with that seasoned shrimp. You want to cook this for about 2 minutes max. You don't want to overcook it. And that's it. Super simple and easy, guys, without all the extra accoutrements. You know, as Guyanese, sometimes we can be extra. Well, today I was feeling for a nice simple curry, and this here hit the spot. Now let's prepare our fish curry. First thing you want to do is wash your fish thoroughly. Then we'll go ahead and season it like we did with the shrimp. Once that is seasoned, we will coat our fish nicely with some plain cornstarch. You can also use flour if you prefer. Then we'll fry the fish until it's nice and brown, then remove it and set it aside. Next, we'll go ahead and fix our curry paste just like we did with the shrimp. And you want to fry this for a good 3 to 4 minutes. And I will leave all the ingredients, like I said, in my description. So once that is fried up nicely for about 3 to 4 minutes, you will then follow up with your coconut milk. Once the coconut milk is added, you want to give it a stir, then add some seasoning to suit your own preference and your taste buds. We will allow that to simmer for a good 2 to 3 minutes or so before we come in with our fried fish. Like I said, you want to add your fried fish and coat them well with a nice thick curry sauce and allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. And that's it, guys. Quick, easy, and simple. Like I said, I was feeling to eat a very simple fish curry today, and this hit the spot. It was so delicious, and I can't wait for y'all to try the recipe. So here you have it, my version of coconut curry fish and coconut curry shrimp made with the same exact recipe, the same ingredients. So I went ahead and paired the shrimp up with some basmati rice and a fresh garden salad, and I paired the fish up with the same basmati rice and a cucumber salad. Thank you for watching and enjoy.